In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change candlestick color on TradingView. Customizing your candlestick colors is a simple way to make your charts easier to read and more comfortable for your eyes, especially if you spend a lot of time analyzing price action. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what's happening as we go so you understand exactly what you're changing. First, open your TradingView chart to any market or time frame you like. At the top right area of the chart, look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear. This gear controls all of the chart's appearance and behavior settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. When you do, a settings window will pop up over your chart. Inside this settings window, you'll see several tabs along the left or across the top, depending on your layout. Find and click on the tab labeled Symbol. This section controls how the active instrument is displayed, including the candlestick style and colors. If you ever want to come back and adjust your chart's visual look, this symbol tab is where you'll spend most of your time. Once you're in the symbol tab, look for the color options associated with the candlesticks. You'll typically see color squares for options like the candle body, borders and wicks, separated for up candles and down candles. Each square shows the current color being used on your chart. To change a color, click directly on the existing color box. This action opens the color picker. When the color picker appears, you'll see a palette of preset colors and sometimes an option to input exact color values if you want to match a specific theme. Now, simply select the color you want to use for that candlestick element. For example, you might choose green for bullish candles and red for bearish candles, or use softer tones if you prefer a less aggressive look. As you click a new color, you'll usually see a live preview applied in the background on your chart. Take a moment to adjust both the up and down candle colors so they're easy for you to distinguish at a glance. When you're happy with the result, you can close the settings window. Your new candlestick colors are now saved for that chart layout, and you can start analyzing price action with a visual style that works best for you.